What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to see who you've blocked on Twitter. This is super helpful if you've blocked someone and you want to unblock someone, but you can't quite remember their username. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit your profile picture in the top left corner, and then scroll down and head over to Settings and Privacy. And then from here, about 6 options down, you're going to hit Content Preferences. And then all the way down, you're going to see an option for blocked accounts. Now, I don't have anybody blocked on this account specifically, so it's going to say you aren't blocking somebody. But if you did, their name will obviously be shown there. And then you could just click on their profile and you could unblock them or do whatever you want to do with that information. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you had any questions or were confused by this tutorial at all, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.